Hello guitar players around the world. In today's video tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to cover, play or sing the song called Selfish by Damien, a friend of Anna Blue. Yeah, they basically singers, both of them together. I love them too much and I've been following them. So the Selfish, we got full chords I'm gonna teach you today. The first one is C major. You're supposed to have a basic knowledge of the chords. Every guitarist should have. This is the C major. We'll call C. The first one is C chord. G, second. The third. E minor. And the D. D works like this actually. I use my fingers like this. It's supposed to be like this, I guess, but I'll do it like this. I just say I go with it many times. It works for me. So C, G, E minor, and D. Let's begin. You're one in a million, a new life. Cause you give me breakfast, means in my life. I don't wanna be without you for a single day. Wanna wrap you in my arms and go hide away. I just wanna come and to myself. Don't wanna share my precious moment with nobody else. I wish that I could make us both disappear, so the rest of the world didn't know that you're here. Cause I wanna keep you forever, just like a secret of mine. And I think if we were together, we'd have a time of mine. I don't wanna share with nobody, for the greatest time, let's be ourselves. I don't wanna share my precious one with nobody else. I wish that I could make this disappear, so the rest of the world didn't know that you're here. Guys, one serious tip that I didn't add previously and I'm gonna add now. For the begin, I actually don't know what he plays at the beginning of the song with the finger style. So I added this. You can do that too. It works really easy and good to figure. Go on C and play. You can play G, E minor, sorry, E minor, D, and for the verse of the songs he used to play like this, but there is kind of a muted voice. It's like it's using the basses. You can use the basses too. It's like no, it's like I'm not sure what the chord. It's a bar chord. It's absolutely bar chords playing, but you can use just one finger for the power chords. You can play the power chords with it. And so basically that's it. That's a tutorial I actually learned and played the song for many times, and now I released a tutorial for it on YouTube channel. So you can do and play the song as well. So go and enjoy it.